Hi, do you ever get consumed by the stress? Do you want to know a simple technique that will help you come out of stress and feel happier in your life? Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, every single person, including me, have their own challenge with stress. But before I tell you how to handle it, I think it's really very important to break down stress and really look into what it is. You know, friends, stress is something that happens when we feel overwhelmed by the things happening in our life. And to break down it even further, the only time when we feel stressed is when we live the present moment and we are get caught up in thinking about the future scenarios which may or may not even happen. You know, stress makes us less effective. And honestly speaking, stress is like a poison for our productivity. So, before I tell you about the technique of how to handle your stress, I want to share with you the two truths which help me to immediately stop being from stressed mode and to shift to something productive like taking action. And the truth number one is everything is figure outable. Truth number two is everything seems to work out at the end. You know, friends, why I'm telling you all these things? Because most of our stress is generated in our mind. That is where 99% of our stress lies. And once we get our mindset right, it becomes easier to take out that stress from our mind, from our head, and get into the present moment. And this is where our true power and control lies. And then it becomes easier to handle stress at this pace. So let's dive in how to handle stress. There is a simple technique called keeping a stress block. Yes, I use this technique. Whenever I feel stressed out, I just write down all the things that I'm feeling stressed for. You can make a list of everything that you're feeling stressed of, like it may be related to your family, your health, your relationships, your work, your career or business, anything that is making you stressed. Just write it down. What are all those things? You know, friends, keeping a stress log is a wonderful and genius idea. So here are the reasons that why you should write a stress log. Reason number one, it's cathartic. It simply means cleansing. It helps to cleanse or get rid of all the stress that is in your head onto the paper. It's like a place where you can dump all your stress and act upon it strategically. And by doing so, you no longer have to keep that stress into your head or onto your body. It gets it onto the paper and it makes us easier to handle that stress. Now, reason number two, it causes shrinkage. And when it comes to stress, it's really very good. You know, when we feel stressed out in our life, it's like we feel my whole life is stressful. Like we can imagine it like a huge shapeless demon into our life and we can't seem to manage it. But the moment you write down what exactly is stressing you out, that huge shapeless demon shrinks into small manageable peanuts. Let me explain you what I mean by this. Now tell me what is easier to say. Like I have three things in my life that is stressing me out, or oh my god, my whole life is stressful. The first one, right? So writing down the stress log will help you to like shrink the mindset of being my whole life stressful to like these are the 2 or 3 things that is stressing me out. Reason number 3, it's actionable. So whenever I write something in my stress log, immediately my mind goes to work on how I can start to actually solve that problem. So right there on that page, I start working on different strategies that I can take to solve that problem to become stress-free in my life. Now the cool thing here is that if you can't solve the problem completely, ask yourself what you can change about your attitude or approach so that you don't continue to feel stressed out about it. Reason number 4, it gives power. So knowing that we have a place to write our stress and we have a technique to handle it, it gives an immense sense of power and strength to handle them so effectively. Now friends, it may sound a little bit silly, but now whenever I feel stressed out, I get excited to write in my stress log with having the feeling that, you know, little stress, I own you. You can't stress me anymore now. So the point here is that I would highly encourage you to write down whatever things that are stressing you out in your life. You can do it on a notebook or you can do it digitally, whatever you like. Because remember, writing it down kicks stress out of the town. friends, if you have liked this video, let's have some fun. Please type in the comment section what is that one thing that is stressing out in your life. It may be related to your business or your life. And below that, type 3 solutions that will help you to fix that stress in your life. Friends, by doing so, it will not only help you, it may also help other people seeing your comments. So friends, maintain a stress log and be happier in your life. See you in my next video. This is Sharayu Sagar, your life and happiness coach. Bye-bye. Take care. Namaste.